Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite 118 projector, the link is available in the description. This device is built for one thing: delivering visuals that stay sharp and clear no matter the environment. The Epson PowerLite 118 steps into classrooms, conference rooms, and training areas ready to work without adding complexity. There is a familiar design here that focuses purely on usability. It is compact, clean, and blends into any ceiling mount or tabletop without trying to show off. What makes this projector stand out is color accuracy. The 3 LCD system ensures every slide, document, and image looks balanced with equal brightness in all colors. Some projectors struggle with visual distortion or flickering colors under bright lighting, but this projector keeps the image solid. With strong brightness levels, you can keep the lights on and still get a readable picture across the room. That means everyone can follow along even if daylight is pouring in. XGA resolution gives this projector just the right clarity for text-heavy presentations. Fonts remain easy to read, graphs stay crisp, and edges do not blur. It proves that resolution does not need to be 4K for something to excel at its job. The projection lens keeps content consistent across the screen with detail present from corner to corner. Modern connectivity is handled well here. 2 HDMI ports allow instant access to multiple devices at once. Teachers and presenters can leave something connected and swap sources quickly. VGA and other standard inputs help support older equipment that is still widely used. There is also built-in audio for those who want a quick setup, although pairing external speakers can instantly improve the experience. Another highlight is lamp longevity. Schools and professional spaces appreciate technology that does not demand constant maintenance. This unit is designed to last through long hours of operation without needing frequent replacements. The cooling remains quiet, which helps keep attention on the content instead of the hardware. Setup flexibility is important. Easy keystone correction means the image can be aligned properly even when the projector's placement is not perfect. Whether mounted high or set on a desk, a proper rectangle view is simple to achieve. This gives users confidence that they can get a good picture without technical expertise. There is a certain reliability here that is often overlooked in more flashy technology. Everything works as expected. It delivers consistent visuals day after day. For education and business, that kind of stability matters more than advanced cinematic features. So if clear communication, strong lighting performance, and simple operation are priorities, this projector checks every box. It respects the time of the people using it. Turn it on, present your content, and it just works. If you are looking for a projector that supports teaching, training, or group collaboration without frustration, this model is definitely worth considering. If you want to buy the Epson PowerLite 118, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech coverage coming soon. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you do not miss the next review.